everyone, this is Mrs. S Jewelry and Accessories coming with you for another video. I thank you all for supporting me over the years and up to now. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I just lately been going through, a little trials and tribulation like everyone do in life general. I'm still in the process of moving, and so when I get my own place or whatever, I will do more videos of the jewelry that I do have and the new jewelry that I have bought over the months. And I just thank God that I'm still here, I'm still blessed, I'm still able to do what I was doing in the past. But now I'm about to have a second grandbaby, and so I don't do much videos as I was doing in the past, and so I had to cut back on some of my events because I had to help my daughter out with her grandbaby, with my grandbaby. And so please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I was trying to do more videos as possible as I can, but sometimes it be hard because I have to watch the baby at times because she go to college, and then she might have her second baby. And so please bear with me that I'm doing all what I can to keep pursuing my business, and I will come back with another video as I possibly can when the baby is asleep or wherever I may be, for to keep posting different jewelry that I have, that I get every other time when I go out of town or whatever. And pretty much, and I'm going to start back making jewelry like I was at the beginning. This journey had been hard to stay focused because I'm doing tremendously so many things, and and sometimes I just don't have time to sit and make necklaces and stuff for my clients, and it just kind of be a little busy, but but I gotta stay focused on what I started out doing. So like, I'm just trying to get there, and I can't wait till I get my own place again. That I had to move, and some things going on with the house that I was in for 13 years. So thanks be to God that I have another chance to buy my third home again, and I will see to you to the next video, and have a blessed day, and God bless, and take care. This is Mrs. S Jewelry and Accessory, aka Tasha Best, signing off. And please, even though I don't post a lot of videos, but please go on YouTube, Tasha Best, and watch some of my jewelry videos, and leave a like or comment. I know they may be boring or whatever, but just bear with me. So please go to YouTube and like my videos of my jewelry or whatever I posted or whatever in the past and up to now. So till then, I'll see you later. Bye.
I can't believe he gave away cards 15 cents, $6. He even gave one woman $500 just for to take the card. Guess who?
Mr. Beastie.
Yeah. keep showing me the bad. I know. Those are national security TV.
Thanks for watching.